Let's try and demonstrate what's called the side angle side method of determining triangles being congruent. And we'll start with a ordinary triangle of no particular description and see what we can do with it. That looks like a good angle. Uh-oh. It's smeared on me a little bit. Try again. There we go. How's that look? That'll do. And then here, this way, like so. That will do. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick two sides and the angle in between them and copy them and see if we can get a triangle that matches. Hopefully it will work nicely for us. Let's take, oh, it doesn't much matter. Let's take this side here and this side here, and then we'll copy this angle here in between those two sides. So this will be the included angle between those two sides. There we go. Let's call this triangle A, B, and C. And this arc will be the same measure as this angle, which is its central angle. And if I copy that arc, I'll be able to copy the angle. So first of all, let's get a construction line down here and a place to start. And we'll pick a point on that line. And we'll measure with our compass the distance from C over to A, from here over to here. That's pretty close. Alright, right about, there we go, that'll do. And from here to here would be the same distance. So this will then be our C prime, and this will be our A prime. And what I need to do now, I already have copied this side. Now I'm going to copy this angle here. What I need to do is copy the arc that I made across there so that I have another arc down here which is identical to it. There we go. That's the same arc as that one, and if I measure the distance across here and copy the length of the arc here, then the angle that runs up through this arc should match. From here through here. About like that. There we go. Alrighty. So I have now a copy of this side and a copy of this angle. And now I need to copy this side over here to match that one there. So I will then have side, angle, and side. I keep bumping into my paper today. I hope it doesn't confuse you. We have here a copy of CB. And we'll come down here to this one and scratch it across there. So right here then should be B prime. And this side, this angle, and this side should match this side, this angle, and this side over here. That's where it gets its name from. If I run the other side, there's only one place it can go. And that makes this a pretty good copy, I think, of our triangle. Alright, right about there. That's good. There we go. So we have a copy of the triangle, and hopefully it'll match. And once again, we'll see if it does by cutting the second triangle out of the paper and see what we get. There we go. And then here more and we're done. We're going to get this, we think. And with a little bit of luck, it'll be a match. And what do you know? That's a pretty good match, I'd say, if I can get my fingers to work. See, I'm getting to be a little bit old, so my fingers don't work quite as well as they used to. But I think you'll agree that I could say that triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime by the side angle side method of congruence. And once again, I can't prove this, but I can demonstrate it, and therefore it is another postulate. And there we have it.